see Leylah Cruz because we haven't seen her on the court for a while now after that injury, but she decided to opt to let go of her playing year and be drafted this year. And we're excited definitely to see her back in the court this time with the
I'm super grateful po and kind of shocked actually, but yeah, thank you so much for Capital One kasi tinrust nila ako, and I'm so excited po to play with you guys. Of course, I'll try my best talaga to bring justice dun sa top 2 pick na binigay nila to me, and I will do everything na makakaya ko para mabigyan ng mas better finish this season yung Capital.
From Coach?
Actually super nakakatuwa na ma-handle nilang dalawa kasi we all know naman na parehas sila talagang veteran na sa larangan ng volley.